All right, guys, it's been a little minute, but I'm gonna give you an update on the Z31. Last time that I talked to you guys, it was like September, October, or something like that. That's the last time I posted a video about my Z31. The entire time my Z31 been down, and because the engine was at the machine shop getting some work done to it. I'm gonna show you guys what I decided to do as far as the engine is concerned. Here, check out what been going on with the Z31 engine. All right, guys. This is the back of the work truck. Now you see what's going on. It's still a 6-cylinder. I didn't go LS, but I'm gonna put this all together and get it on an engine stand so you guys can see it. This is my 3.3 liter Nissan exterior block. It's an OWO block. But what I did was I put the twin turbo crank in there. So the twin turbo crank's in there. I got some CP pistons, custom CP pistons. They're 93.5s. This is going to give me 3.5 liters of displacement this time. It's got the twin turbo oil pump. The oil pump's been ported, and we're gonna flip this thing over so you can see. This is a fully built lower bottom end, so it's fully built. We're gonna flip it. Boom, boom, boom. You can go ahead and see in there are Eagle H-beam rods. So I don't know if you can see them, but it's Eagle H-beam rods, ARP everything. So it's the ARP mains. It's all built. So the whole bottom end's built. The cool thing is going with the twin turbo crank. Now I can run dual disc and triple disc clutch setup for the Z32. So I can run that in the Z31. And it also makes it easier for me to mate up the twin turbo transmission. But I got all of this all set up. The only thing I need to do is put heads on it. I got my heads coated just like the pistons. So I also got some metal head gaskets. I had to get custom head gaskets for these pistons. But yeah, this is my setup. That's what's gonna go in the Z31. Let me get a little flick of the Z30, the pistons in the Z31 in the background. Oh, I didn't tell you guys this. I really don't talk about my parts and stuff, or the parts that I'm gonna be using, but look at this. Brother, I got the AEI super damper for the twin turbo for that crank. Look at that thing. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that thing. So got the damn damper for it. It's all set up. So I got the AEI super damper. This is the one for the high horsepower application. So yeah, we're supposed to be making some, what they say? We're supposed to be making some jam. Yeah, we're supposed to be making some jam this time. I wanted to make sure that I got every single part for this build. Oh, I upped the compression to 10.5 to 1. So it's a 10.5 to 1 motor. I'm not running that much boost. I wanted to improve the bottom end of the car. That's why I wanted to go with the displacement. I really wanted to stroke it, but the stroker kit was $6,200. So I was on the fence with that one. Ended up not doing it or pulling the trigger, but maybe next time. Anyway, guys, let's move over to here. This is the parts bin. So what happened was I spun a bearing, and you can see the heat. You can see the heat marks on the actual piston, on the actual rod. And the pistons, they didn't even touch the head. So these pistons are good. These are 93 millimeter pistons. I think they're JE. I had to see what kind of pistons these are. I think they're JE pistons, but they're in good condition. Really, I didn't need to change pistons. The only reason why I changed pistons is because I wanted to go with a larger bore size. And those are 9 to 1 pistons. The compressions are 9 to 1 on those pistons. I think it's 9 to 1. So I wanted to raise the compression, but I also like these pistons because they have the valve reliefs cut in. And those pistons are meant for like the twin turbo or the VH45 DE. That's what those pistons are made for. But I just got it bored out so that those pistons could run in this block. So those pistons in a 3.3 liter block are pushed to 3.45 around that ish. So I just wanted the 3.5 liter V6. I was thinking about stroking it, because if you stroke it, you'll get like a 3.7 liter, 3.8 liter V6. And I was really excited about that because that's like it being like the Skyline. Or it push it in GTR territory, even though the GTR has way better head flow and a whole bunch of other tricks that can really set the engine on fire. This is my setup. That's what's gonna go in the Z31. Let me get a little flick of the Z30, the pistons in the Z31 in the background.